Yeah, someone asked me for somebody to teach me how to repair phone. No, I teach myself. Experience is a good teacher, my brother. No one teach me how to repair phone, but I was very curious, and when I saw somebody do it, and I tried my home, and then I become a good what? Wow, it's working. It's working. It's working, brother. Although I'm filming, but still I can do it in a good way because I'm professional. I do it for many years, more than 10 years. I used to repair phone. Previously, I went to work to my brother there, but after improve, I opened my own office. It's not a big office, but I've got a lot of people come here because they know what I'm doing. Yeah, brother, let us try again. If we fail this time, we can assume that the problem is not mirror, but the problem is an engine. So we're supposed to have another engine and put it. Thank you. Thank you very much, brother. Well, so something with a mouse here. And the phone repairing is not difficult as the people say, no, it's very difficult, so it's take a lot of time. No, if you like it, it's not very difficult. And when you like your work, you do it in deeply. And if you don't like it, you do it partially. That is how it is in phone repairing. If you like it, you can do it afternoon, evening, even during night. When other people sleep, you can do it at your home place and so on and so on. So for myself, this is like a hobby. I like it so much. Let's test it. Wow. So another times it's work, and they show that there is a white. It show that the problem is not mirror. A mirror is okay, but the problem is an engine. So we're supposed to change an engine. Thank you very much, guys, for seeing my video. Let us see you in another video. Simple. Okay, have you seen the phone here? It's not working, so the customer come so that they can repair his phone. The company of this phone is known as Guava. It is very good phone, strong one, but it's not working. So here, first of all, I put something like we call it petrol. We put a little bit petrol, a very little one. That's petrol, and this one is toothbrush. We just clean your phone. Clean it. Wow, it's amazing. This work is very interesting. It's good. Make sure that the phone is well cleaned. After that, in a local, you just repair this phone by using a local thing. So, sorry guys, we don't have modern machines, modern tools. So we use local tools to repair phone. that, here is we call it Mshuma in East African language. Most of East African we use Swahili language, so they call it Mshuma. I don't know in English what you call what. If you know what the word in English, please comment below and tell us what does this Mshuma means in English. Yeah, for that, I'm after something known as melting box. Wow. Here is the cheese, here melting box. Just lit it. Yeah, that's good. And after this, the melting box, we put our phone here. The reason why we put here, come this way. Make sure that the reason that we put here is to make sure that we dry our phone. If there is any water inside the phone, and even if there is some malfunction, we wipe it out. That's good. Well, interesting. You know, when you do something which you love, you feel good in the heart. So phone repairing is very interesting activities. Don't put it so much, because when you put it so much, you can burn the phone. So make sure that you put it a little bit. After that, make sure that you try if the phone is working. You put the phone into its cover. And I told you before that if you are a phone repair, you're supposed to be very, very careful, because when you distract somebody's properties, he or she may demand his or her money. So make sure that you are very careful. Do it in a quiet way. If you have a lot of stress, please don't do this work. This work needs a person who is a passion, a quiet, which might improve your productivity mind to repair a phone in a good way. For that you put a battery, but this battery you just put this one. Yes, Swahili people or East African people, they call it gogo. We put gogo. So guys, there is a lot of noise in my street, because next to my office there is a library. So library is a place where most of people they just download music and then they sell to local people. This is a very a big business in our street. As you see that we live in a local areas. Yes, I'm going to show you how librarians they sell their things to customers later in my next video. But today we're going to look a little bit how we're supposed to repair a phone, especially this small phone. Then I'm testing the phone if it's working. It's not working. Wow. See, there's it's not working. Wow. Phone repairment is require a lot of time, a lot of creativity mind. So guys, in the next video I'm going to show you what's the problem to this phone. Ciao.